Dear students, the second exercise of rational number of class 8th. Here the first question is represent the numbers, these numbers on the number line. Okay, here first question is 7 by 4. Here what we have to do here we need to divide the numbers, divide the parts. Here the denominator is 4. Okay, so here I divide the each number is equals to 4 parts. That is, here this is 7 by 4 means this is positive number. Okay, here I take this is as 0. Now I divide 0 and 1 4 parts. Okay, here we need to consider denominator and divide the number. Okay, here I divide the equal parts by using compass. So here 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 parts. Now call this as 1. So again divide this by 4 parts. Next number 1 2 3 4. This is I call 2. So okay, here I mark these numbers. So here this is the first number. Here we divided each number into 4 parts. That is, this is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. This is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Next this is 5 by 4. This is 6 by 4. This is 7 by 4. This is 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is 2. Okay, so now we need to denote 7 by 4. That is this number. Okay, here the 7 by 4 is this number. So next, second one. So second question is minus 5 by 6. Okay, here they have given negative numbers. Okay, the negative numbers are here. That is left side of the 0. Here right side of the 0 is positive number. Okay, I take the numbers in the left side. Here I take 0. Here I divide the numbers. Here we will have positive numbers. Okay, here the denominator is 6. We need to divide each number into 6 parts. Okay, so here I divide by using compass. So 6 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, it's so very simple. So this is 1. I divided only 6 parts because we want only fifth part. Okay, this is minus 1. 0 to minus 1, negative numbers. Okay, this is minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6. We divided 6 parts. That's why first part is minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6. Next minus 5 by 6. This is minus 6 by 6. Okay, minus 6 by 6 is minus 1. Okay, so now we need to denote this number. Okay, minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 is this. Here second main question is, yes, represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on number line. Okay, these are also negative numbers. Okay, I take here 0. Here we will have positive numbers, here negative numbers. We need to divide how many parts? Here there is a denominator 11. We need to divide into 11 parts. Okay, so here from taking I take equal parts here. So 1, I divide this into 11 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, we divided in 11 parts. Okay, so the first part is negative. This is a minus 1. Okay, the first part is minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11. This is minus 5 by 11. This is minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11. Eighth part is minus 8 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11. The last part, this is minus 11 by 11. Minus 11 by 11 is minus 1. Okay. So here we need to denote minus 2 by 11. This number. Next one. Minus 5 by 11. This one. Next minus 9 by 11. This one. Okay. We denoted 3 numbers. Next. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay, here we need to write the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. The rational numbers are nothing but which are in the form of P by Q. Okay, so here which are less than 2 means we will take less than 2. Here 0 is less than 2. This is a rational number. Okay, 1 is a less than 2 which is rational number. Then half is a rational number. I take 1 whole 1 by 2, 1 and half. Okay, so 1 2 3. Okay, we have 4 numbers. I take another minus 1. Okay, so here we have taken these all numbers. So here this I write once again minus 1, 0, half, 1 and half can be written 2 1 2. This is plus 1 3 by 2. These are the 5 rational numbers which are less than 2 or smaller than 2. Next, fourth main question. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. The second one is here. So first we will write equivalent fractions. Okay. These are in equivalent fraction. That is 2 by 3, 4 by 5. 3 and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay. 3 5 ja 15. LCM of 3 and 5 is equals to 3 5 ja 15. 3 into 5 equals to 15. These are co-primes. Okay. So now we need to write the denominator as same. Okay. So here 2 by 3. I just write denominator as 15. Okay. I divide this by 5. Multiply and divide this by 5. 2 5 ja 10. 3 5 ja 15. Okay. This can be written as 4 by 5 can be written as. So 5 to be become 15. We need to multiply by 3. Okay. Here also 3. 4 3 ja 12, 5 3 ja 15. Okay, so now the denominators are same. We need to make denominators are same, that is 15. Okay, so now 10 12. Okay, just consider here, if I draw a number line, here 10 there, here 12 there. This is 12 10 by 15, this is 12 by 15. 10 11 by 15. There is only one rational number. We have only one rational number. We need to write 5 rational numbers. Okay, that's why I multiply this and this by 3. Okay, 10 by 15 I multiply by 3. Divide and multiply by 3. 10 3 ja 30. 15 3 ja 45. Okay, again 12 by 15 can be multiplied by 3. So denominator must be same. 12 3 ja 36. 15 3 ja 45. So 30 and 36. In between 30 and 36 we will have 5 rational number. Okay, so here see 30 by 45 and 36 by 45. If between these we have 31 by 45, 32 by 45, 33 by 45, 34 by 45, 35 by 45. These are what? The 5 rational numbers between these two. These are nothing but, again, yes, we know 30 by 45 is nothing but, this is 15 2 ja 15 3, that is 2 by 3. Okay, 36 is nothing but 36 and 45 is nothing but here this is 9 4 ja 9 5 ja. Okay, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. See, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Between these two rationals we have these 5 rational numbers. Okay, next second question. So second question also need to convert these into the denominators are same. Here 2 and 3. The LCM is 2 3 ja 6. Okay, I multiply minus 3 by 2 by, we need to make denominator 6, that's why multiply by 3. Here 3 3 3 ja minus 9, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, now again 5 by 3, I multiply 3, 3 has to become 6, that's why multiply by 2. So 5 2 ja 10, 3 2 ja 6. Okay, so here minus 9 10. Okay, there may be many rational numbers here. Okay, that's why I just write the rational numbers between these two, minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. I just write as here are there. Okay, 10 by 6, 9 by 6, 8 by 6. Okay, then 7 by 6, 6 by 6, 5 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6, so on, many. Okay, up to we can write minus 9. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have written many numbers. They have asked only 5 rationals. Okay, so these are what the rational numbers between these two numbers. So here next question, we need to write the 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. The here 4 is there, we need to convert this into 4. Okay, here I just write 1 by 4 same as it is. I just convert this 1 by 2 into, I just write this is denominator same. Okay, multiply by 2. 2 2 ja 4, the denominator has to become 4. So multiply and divide by 2. 1 2 ja 2. Now 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So the two numbers are 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This is 1 ja, again 2 ja, 1 by 2. Okay. So now we have to write the rational between these two. So for example, see here, this is 1 by 4, next to 2 by 4. 1 by 4, the 2 by 4 is next to 1 by 4. There is no rational numbers. Okay. So to find out rational numbers, we need to multiply here. Okay. I just multiply. We need to find out how many rational numbers? 5. That's why I multiply by 6 and 6. 6 by 6. Okay. I just multiply this way. 1 by 4 into 6 and 6. Okay. 6 divide and multiply by 6. 1 6 are 6. 4 6 are 24. Then 2 by 4, I just multiply and divide this by 6. 2 6 are 12. 4 6 are 24. Okay, now denominators are same. 6 and 12, there is a many rational numbers. Okay, the rational numbers between 6 by 24 and 12 by 24 are 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24, 11 by 24. Okay, here we have 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, so again these numbers are nothing but 6 by 24 is how much? 1 ja, this is 4 ja, 1 by 4. Okay, 12 by 24 is again 2 ja, 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja, 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. There are 5 rational numbers. Next, write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Okay, we have to write the numbers which are greater than minus 2. Okay, minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Then 0, plus 1. Okay, so next we have 1 by 2. Okay, again 1 and half. Okay, these are what the rational numbers which are greater than minus 1. Minus 2. Okay, 1, I just write all things here. This is 3 by 2. These are the 1 2 3 4 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. Next, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, here 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 there. Okay, I just convert, these are in, the denominators are same. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Here 5 and 4, we need to make denominators are same. 5 4 ja 20, the LCM is 20. Okay, I just multiply by 20 and 20. Okay, this is 3 2 ja, how much? 3 2 ja 60 by 5 2 ja 100. Next I multiply this by, okay, I made this is 100. Okay, I just made this is also 100. Okay, so that's why I okay, so that's why I multiply by 25 here. Okay, 25 3 ja 75. 25 4 ja, how much? 25 4 ja 100. Okay, I made denominators are equals to 100 here, or otherwise you can make 5 4 ja 20. Okay, so 20 20, if you get here 20 I multiplied, here I multiplied by 25. Okay, so nothing problem here, denominators are same. Now we can write the numbers between these two, 60 by 100 and 75 by 100. Okay, so 60 by 100 is nothing but, again this is 2 3 ja 2 5 ja, this is nothing but how much? This is 25 3 ja 25 4 ja, this is 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, now we have to write the rational numbers between these two. Okay, then here we have 61 by 100, Okay, I just write 62 by 100, 63 by 100, 64 by 100, 65 by 100. Okay, we need to write 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 66 by 100, 67 by 100, 68 by 100. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 69 by 100 and 70 by 100. Okay, you can write 71, 72, okay, anything. So here I have written total how many? The 10 rational numbers which are in between these two numbers.